We got some visitors. You are in my personal space, sir. All right. Well, picking the perfect mattress is a lot like getting the perfect pair of boots. You got to see what feels right and ask an expert for some advice. Texas Mattress Makers helps you find the right mattress for your sleep style. All right, Yuval, it's rodeo time. I got my boots on. You got your boots on.
I like your boots.
Yes, thank you very much. We know there's a lot of cowboys and cowgirls out there sleeping in the trailers all around the stadium, and they're not getting a good night's sleep because when you buy those trailers, oftentimes the mattress just comes with it, and they're not very comfortable.
Right. I mean, it's they make a mattress to fit the space. So for us, if you can draw it, we can make it.
Yeah, so anybody who has one of those trailers and you want to replace that mattress, you can make any size they want and you can make it comfortable for their body.
We can make it any size, comfortable, to last as long as you really want it to last. You can sleep on it every night, or you can sleep on it just because you're traveling to the rodeo or wherever. We can do anything you want at any price point to accommodate your needs.
And the rest of the year you can do it for us too in the real beds that we have in our homes. And again, you can make whatever size somebody wants. You know, oftentimes people will have like antique furniture, for example, and it was like a European size, and so you have a hard time finding mattresses that are already out there. You can build the mattress for what you want.
Sincerely, Deborah, anything, any frame you have at home, any custom size that you have, we can make. There isn't anything we can't make. If it's square, if it's a rectangle, if it's oval, if it's completely round, anything you want, we'll make. And we're not going to charge you any more for making that mattress.
Because you're already making them anyway.
Because we're already making them anyway.
Yeah, you are the manufacturer, and that's why people will say, how can you give such great prices? Those mattresses that cost thousands and thousands of dollars, you can give for much less because you're making them anyway, you already have the components, and so you can put it together just how people want it. The other thing that's so important to you is not to just get the mattress that fits your space, but most importantly, the mattress that fits you.
I love what I do. I'll say it again. I love what I do. When you come in, a customer comes in here, it is so important for me for you to sleep well. That I tell the customer that if you buy above a certain quality of a bed, meaning the components inside, and you're not comfortable, and you don't tell me, you're actually going to upset me. Most people get upset when you come back.
Yeah.
I get upset if you don't come back, if you're uncomfortable.
Well, you always say, I want to sell you a mattress, not a problem. And by the way, next week is like National Sleep Well Week, right?
Exactly.
So you want people to actually take that seriously and that know that when you come in here to buy a mattress, you're going to take some time because you're literally going to custom fit that mattress to that person.
I want folks to understand, you're going to spend 1/3, more or less, of your life on a mattress. Take 45 minutes to an hour of your time. Come here, explain, articulate what it is that is uncomfortable for you or comfortable for you. How do you sleep? What would you like the bed to feel like? Talk to us. Let us do our job. We're very, very good at doing it, what we do.
Yeah, and I gotta say this again, because I always say this. I laid on a mattress and I said, this one's perfect. I like this one right here. And you said, I'm not gonna sell you that one.
Correct.
To your point earlier, I don't wanna sell you a problem, because you were looking at how that mattress filled in my curves right here, and how my shoulder and my hip bone actually sunk into that mattress. You said that one may feel comfortable right when you lay on it, but when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna feel that it was not the right mattress for you.
That's correct. Every person has a different sinkage on a different mattress. Just because you're coming off of a bad mattress at home, you're going to compensate for it by going to buy a new mattress. The industry as a whole is making you believe that it doesn't matter if you buy this, that, or the other, or you should buy this because it's the best thing since sliced bread.
Yeah.
It is not. It might be good for this person, but it might not be good for you.
So what about, speaking of customizing, the number beds? Like, instead of me trying to guess what number I needed, I just came here and got the mattress that actually works for me.
That's exactly right, because I see you laying down, I see how you conform, I see the sinkage, I see the way your head is, if it's tilted up or down, what kind of pillow do you need? I would suggest to you to get the pillow that you would need, and then I see your body aligned, and your weight carries to your feet.
Yeah.
That's perfection. Hence, I believe that you sleep well at night because your body goes into that mattress.
Because I'm happier. Have you noticed I'm happier ever since I got my mattress?
I have noticed that. But, you know.
All right. The other thing, though, is that mattresses are mysteries to a lot of people because most all of them look just alike on top. They have the nice little quilting. Sometimes they have some design on them, and we don't know what it's made of on the inside. That's what determines how long that mattress is going to last for you and also how you're going to sleep on that mattress.
That is correct. In the industry, they say every 8 years you should change your mattress. The truth is, based on the #1 coil sold in the United States, you should probably change your mattress every 5 years, based on the
average,
reality,
yeah.
the average. Every component that we have here is for a different reason, for a different person.
Yeah.
If a person comes in here, he's 6'4", and he weighs over 300 pounds, he's not going to be comfortable on the same bed that you are. And if I laid on that mattress that I would make for that gentleman or that lady, it would actually hurt me, because I'm 6 foot and I'm 170 pounds. So too much of something is not good, and too little of something is not good.
Yeah, but you all can determine like what goes inside that mattress. And also you can make a mattress for somebody who, let's say, in fact, I came to you one day and said, look, we have a spare room and that mattress is going to be used very little. So we had a mattress that was really inexpensive,
right,
and we use that for guests. But then I want another mattress that I want to have practically for the rest of my life. You can buy that here too.
Right. You can do anything you want. You came in, you need a mattress for you, then you say, my son needs a mattress. I'm not going to sell you the same quality in components, not quality.
Because he's 14, he's going to outgrow that.
Exactly. His body is growing, his muscles are changing, his blood flow is different, his posture is different. Everything about him is he's a lot more active than you. He needs something that is much more supportive, but I also know that you don't need to spend $1,000 on a mattress that this young man is going to be out of the house in 5-6 years.
Hopefully.
Okay?
Hopefully.
I can make that happen.
Yeah.
I'm good at that. But do you see what I'm saying? The
yeah.
point is for you to buy the right mattress for you. Not the mattress that I have to sell, but the mattress that you need to have.
And the right foundation for your mattress actually sets the foundation for your overall health.
That's exactly right. You sleep well, you feel good. You feel good, you perform better, you're healthier. It's healthier for your heart, it's healthier for your blood pressure, it's healthier for your diabetes. I mean, it's a proven fact. It's healthier.
Basically, healthcare starts here.
That's correct.
And Texas Mattress Makers has a special for Great Day viewers now through March 31st. Get a pocketed coil queen mattress set for only $449. That's marked down from $799. Stop by their new showroom in Katy or visit their factory location downtown on Navigation Boulevard. Give them a call at 713-341-6252. You can also find them online at texasmattressmakers.com.